welcome back. I hope everyone's doing great. And in today's video, as you can already see my title, I am doing Q&A part 2. So the questions which I could not finish in my first part of Q&A, I will be doing it today, and also the 5 people who did reply on my stories, I will be answering their questions also today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first question I received is if ashwagandha can help in weight loss. Yes, ashwagandha helps in weight loss to an extent, but that cannot be the only source for weight loss. अश्वगंधा जनरली लिया जाता है क्योंकि हमारे इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करने के लिए, इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए अश्वगंधा लिया जाता है, और वो जनरली रात को लिया जाता है, राइट, सो दैट जो भी पहले दिन का वेस्ट इकट्ठा हुआ है वो सब निकल जाए, इसलिए अश्वगंधा लिया जाता है. तो आप अश्वगंधा ले सकते हो, वो वेट लॉस में थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प करेगा क्योंकि वो सब गंदी चीज़ों को अपने आपके बॉडी से एडजस्ट आउट कर देगा. So yes, to an extent ashwagandha does help in weight loss, but that cannot be the only source of weight loss. Okay, so the next question I received is from a lady. She says that she cannot remember things, her memory is fading. So ये मेमोरी फेडिंग एक्चुअली एक एज फैक्टर भी हो सकता है. जैसे हमारा एज बढ़ता है वैसे मेमोरी भी डिक्रीज होता रहता है, बट वो हमारे हाथों में है कि हम उसको कैसे स्ट्रेंथन करें. तो इसके लिए मैं आपको 2 चीज़ें बताऊंगी. फर्स्ट इज रात को आप 7 वॉलनट्स और 7 आलमंड्स भिगो दीजिए. सुबह उठ के उसको दूध में डाल के वो 1 ग्लास दूध पीजिए आप. इससे आपका मेमोरी बहुत इंक्रीज होगा. और दूध पीने के बाद आप 10 मिनट्स या 15 मिनट्स अपना टाइम निकाल के मेडिटेशन और योगा कीजिए, बिकॉज मेडिटेशन बहुत बहुत हेल्प करेगा आपको आपकी मेमोरी को स्ट्रेंथन करने में. और ये 2 चीज़ें अगर आप फॉलो करोगे एटलीस्ट 1 महीने के लिए तो आपको रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. दैट इज वॉलनट एंड आलमंड मिल्क एंड योगा एंड मेडिटेशन. Okay, the next question I received is about the best hair oil you can suggest. So I will suggest you what oil I use. You can see how my hair has become now. I have been using this oil since 2 months now. So what you need to do is take 2 liters of coconut oil. उस oil में you have to add these things, that is amla powder, hibiscus powder, methi seeds, pure and fresh curry leaves, and also you can add a few other things like onion. You can also add onion. Yes, that's the best source. Add all of these, put all of these in the coconut oil, the 2 liter coconut oil, and then just boil all of them together. And once it's cooled down, strain it, put it in a glass container, and then apply this oil the previous night before you take a head shower. So this is really going to help you strengthen your hair follicles. Your hair is going to become really shiny and no graying of hair is going to happen. So I think this is the best oil from my experience which I have used. So you can really try out this oil. So the next question I received is about how to gain muscle mass. So I have already made a video on how to gain muscle mass. Please go check out my video. I have put the link in my video below. So that will really help you to gain muscle mass. Okay, so the next question I received is about blackheads. People generally have blackheads here, right on the brim of the nose. So for this, I can give you 2 to 3 remedies. So the first one is baking soda. Baking soda is a really nice agent, and that can actually dissolve all your blackheads. So what you have to do is add a little water in the baking soda, just put it on the affected area, like just dab on the affected area, and then just leave it. And you can leave it for like 10-15 minutes and then take a shower. And at least 3 times in a week take hot steam. Hot steam will really open up the pores, and once it's opened up the pores, all your blackheads are just going to automatically get removed. So you can do steam. And number 3 is tomatoes. Tomatoes are a very rich source, so you can orally take in tomato and apply tomato as well. So these 3 are going to really help you to remove your blackheads. So I hope I've answered your question. Okay, so the next question I received is, give me a good combination of detox water. I have already said this in my previous videos as well, but I would just repeat it for you that combinations of detox water can be of your choice. Like for example, on a Monday, if you take cucumber and mint seeds, on Tuesday you can take methi, Wednesday you can just add only cucumbers, Thursday you can add only lemons, Friday you can add a mixture of all, Saturday you can just add whatever fruits are left in your refrigerator. So that is how you can mix and match your detox water according to your convenience and according to the ailments you have. Yeah, so I think these are the best combinations of detox water, and I hope I have answered your question as well. Okay, the next question I received is about how do I smoothen my frizzy hair. So my hair is generally straight, but I still have tried these and this has kind of worked for me. So what you have to do is you have to take one huge ripe banana, and then you need to take honey, and you need to take coconut oil. Yeah, so you need to take all of these, mix it into a paste, a fine paste, and just apply it on your hair scalp. Yeah, just you need to partin your hair into two and then apply it, and then just keep it for 20-25 minutes, and then just warm with shower it with warm water. This is the DIY I gave you, but apart from this, you have to remember 2-3 things. That you should not blow dry your hair, because blow drying your hair often makes it frizzy. Do not use an oversized towel, because an oversized towel actually loosens your hair follicles, and the kind of material you use for your towel also depends. Yeah, you cannot use any material or a rough material. You need to use a smooth material, because that will keep your hair intact and it wouldn't cause it frizzy. And you can use a hair serum as well. I will give you a review on the products I use maybe in my next video, so that will help you out. Okay, so the next question I received is about how do you lose weight. Okay, so losing weight is something which is going on in everyone's minds these days, and I really think that I have to make up an IGTV for this, but you guys can DM me personally. I will help you out, because each person's requirements is totally different from the other. So you please DM me and I will help you out on how you can make the weight loss diet for yourself. So I think I've answered all of the questions. There are a lot more questions, but I think I will have to make a part 3 for that. So part 2, I think I just answered 10 to 12 questions of yours, and I hope it really works out for you. So that's all for today, and until then, just stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling and smiling even more. Anuchi Jain signing off.